In this video, I'll tell you about 5 of the most fascinating natural phenomena on Earth, and trust me, they're more thrilling than you can imagine. Let's start with one of nature's most electrifying displays, volcanic lightning. Picture this: a volcano erupts, spewing ash and lava into the sky, and suddenly, boom! Lightning bolts explode through the ash clouds. It's both terrifying and breathtaking. This phenomenon is called volcanic lightning, or dirty thunderstorms, and it happens during volcanic eruptions. But how does it work? When a volcano erupts, it ejects tons of ash, gas, and volcanic rock into the air. All these particles collide and rub against each other, building up static electricity in the ash cloud. Once the charge becomes too great, lightning bolts shoot through the sky. It's not just rare, it's powerful, with bolts that can be stronger than those in regular thunderstorms. Volcanic lightning is a raw, chaotic dance of fire and electricity, a reminder of nature's immense power. Here's a wild fact. The eruption of Mount Chichen in Chile created over 700 lightning strikes in just 1 minute. Imagine the sky lighting up like that. It's like a scene from a movie. Volcanic lightning shows us how unpredictable and awe-inspiring nature can be. Stick around because we've got more incredible phenomena to explore in this video. Imagine a river so hot it boils. Sounds unreal, right? But it's very real in some parts of the world. There's a river deep in the Amazon rainforest called Shanay Timpishka, famously known as the Boiling River. Its water reaches temperatures up to 93 degrees Celsius, hot enough to kill anything that falls in. The heat doesn't come from a volcano but from geothermal activity beneath the Earth's surface. Underground fissures allow superheated water to rise and flow into the river. While rare, similar boiling rivers have been found near geothermal hotspots around the world. So, would you dare visit a river that's almost a natural cauldron? Let us know in the comments. Have you ever heard of a storm so powerful that it creates tornadoes and hurls down hail like cannonballs? Meet the supercell storm, the king of thunderstorms. Supercell storms are gigantic, rotating thunderstorms that form when warm, moist air collides with cooler, dry air. This clash creates a spinning vortex inside the storm, called a mesocyclone. What makes them so dangerous? These storms can last for hours, producing powerful tornadoes, intense lightning, and hailstones as big as baseballs. They also dump massive amounts of rain, causing flash floods. Supercells are rare but incredibly destructive. Most of the strongest tornadoes in history came from these storms. Here's a mind-blowing fact. A single supercell can be over 10 miles wide and pack enough energy to power a small city. Supercell storms are a reminder of how powerful and unpredictable nature can be. Want to learn more about amazing phenomena like this? Stick around, there's plenty more to discover.
Imagine the ocean glowing bright at night, or turning blood red during the day. Stunning, yeah. Dangerous? Also yes. Let's dive into the mystery of red tides. Red tides happen when certain types of algae multiply rapidly, creating algal blooms that stain the water red. But they're not always red. They can glow eerily at night, lighting up the waves with a mesmerizing blue or green glow thanks to bioluminescence. While beautiful, red tides can be harmful. Some algal blooms release toxins that poison fish, contaminate shellfish, and even cause breathing problems for humans near the shore. These toxins disrupt entire ecosystems and can lead to massive marine life die-offs. Most red tides are caused by nutrient pollution. Runoff from farms and cities fuels the algae's explosive growth. And with climate change warming ocean waters, these blooms are becoming more frequent. Here's something fascinating. Not all red tides are harmful. Some are harmless and others glow so brightly that they look like waves from another world. Red tides are a stunning example of nature's beauty and power, but they come with a serious warning. Want to uncover more natural wonders? Stay tuned for the rest of this video. Imagine a part of the ocean where fish can't breathe, plants can't grow, and life just stops. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? Well, it's real, and it's happening now. These areas are called dead zones, parts of the ocean with such low oxygen levels that marine life struggles to survive. But how do they form? Most dead zones are caused by pollution, especially fertilizer runoff from farms. When nutrients like nitrogen and phosphorus flow into the sea, they cause massive algal blooms. At first it looks harmless, plenty of food for marine creatures, but when the algae die, they sink and decompose, consuming oxygen in the process. The result, a suffocating underwater desert. Dead zones can stretch for thousands of kilometers, like the one in the Gulf of Mexico. And as climate change warms the oceans, these zones are expanding, threatening the delicate balance of marine ecosystems. But here's the scary part. Did you know that over 400 dead zones have been recorded worldwide? And the numbers are rising, so what can we do? Simple changes like reducing fertilizer use and improving wastewater treatment can help. Because saving our oceans means saving ourselves. Share this video to spread awareness. Together, we can make a difference. Ever heard of singing sand? Well, buckle up. This is going to be fun. The singing sand phenomenon happens when sand grains rub together, creating sounds like a hum, whistle, or even a roar. For this to happen, the sand must be smooth, dry, and uniform in size. When wind or movement makes the sand slide, the vibrations from the grains rubbing together amplify into a melody. Some famous spots for singing sand include the dunes of the Gobi Desert and beaches in Japan. So next time you're on a sandy adventure, listen closely. Nature might be putting on a concert.